Hello. How are you guys doing? So today, let's do some makeup and installing our hair. What are we going to do? I think for this week is all about Valentine. I said what? Valentine. Let's go. Tipping a little bit. So. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using this is the main split, but I'm gonna give it another one. Yeah, yes, because I want it to look like closure, the full lace front closure. That's how I want it to look. So I've given it so let's give it another line. We are giving it another line. What you need to do, you make sure you leave a little one, okay? Okay. So now that we already cut, we need some baby hair. Okay, we need some. I said what? We need some baby hair. Baby hair. Same goes to this. For hair, I don't need to cut because I have it already. Okay. So let's see something. don't mind me, I love that music. So now we drag some baby hair out. Okay, you need this. For me, I've already cut some of it because I've used this here once, twice or more. So if you have not yet, you drag some out. We'll make sure we cut it to the level that we want. Okay. We want to make a full contour, full face, full contour, full lace wig with our 13 by 6 closure. So now let's find scissors to cut. So now that I've already cut it, the first thing I'm going to be using now is I'm going to be combing it like this, front, bring it front as I'm doing now. Yeah, and comb it, and the next thing I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using my spray. You guys should see how I'm doing it. Make sure you buy your got to be spray. They have the fake, they have the original. So I'm gonna leave it to dry. I don't want to use my dryer because my baby is sleeping. Don't want to wake him up. So, but it's gonna be drying. I'm going to be leaving it. And now the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using my gel. It's called Echo Styling Professional Styling Gel, made with olive seed and oil. So now let's give it, when you are giving it gel, make sure you drag it front. Mind you, the wig I'm using now is a wig of, it's not a full lace, but I decided to make it a full lace by styling it this way. Hope you guys are seeing. I'm putting my remaining back that side. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be dragging each mindle, drag the rest, picking this, dragging it again, because we don't want it to be full, and dragging it back again, giving it you just need a little to drag back, because like that. So now and I'm gonna be using my brush that I usually blend with my eyeshadow to brush it out nicely. You see, now that I've brushed it, I found that it has more longer ones, and I'm going to be using my classic forming there. So we just need a little bit of it in the front. So now so after this, you can choose to hold it up like this, leave the rest down, just hold this up. Okay, but before that, I'm going to be using my band to dry up my chain, make it sit well. Okay, so now if we want, we can still leave it like this, but the other style, just in case. You need to leave some behind, some of your hair. You leave some at the back. Okay, so now let's give it a bang. I'm dragging out my hair out of it. So as you guys see, you can do the rest like this. Okay, I'll put it behind like this. Then to cover your, so now we already tied. So what we are going to do, I'm going to be taking a little of it at the back. So you see this, and I'm going to be spraying it. So now to cover the band, I'm going to be wrapping it, and when it's remain a little in my hands, I collected again another one to make it more and more. So, or we can put it this way. Guys, do you see? So what I'm doing now, I make sure I spray it like this. And it's done.